Hi, this is Elizabeth with WTI, and I want to tell you about my little buddy that helps me get fresh air in my room. This is the Levoit LV H13 Compact Air Purifier. It's not this humongous air purifier that's going to take up your whole room, so the satisfaction and peace of mind knowing that the mold, the dust, everything is being filtered through here and it's going to help me breathe better, I really enjoy. And in the past, I've had previous neighbors that smoke and I don't enjoy smelling that, nor do I enjoy having that for my lungs. So this helped contain some of the mess that the neighbors were causing for me. Things that I enjoy about this, besides the compact size, is the 3 layers that it has for the filtration. So you have the initial layer, and then this guy pops right out, and then this counts as 2. You have this one and the one on the back, and they're super easy to replace. Levoit makes their own air purifiers replacement, so that way you always know that they're certified and they're going to give you the same constant protection for your air quality. It also has a nightlight. When you click it, there's a blue light that goes off on it. You do not have to have the blue light all the time. So mine goes off, but I have my air purifier continually going. If you are someone like me that has so many different allergies, and whether it's your neighbors that are causing these allergies for you, or you live in an old house, or just allergy season is bad, having an air purifier clean your room and give you a better night's rest and just feel nice and clean. Make sure you check this out from Levoit, the LVH132, and that's my point of view.